Good morning students, a very warm welcome to all of you. Let us start module 3, and in module 3 there are 3 lessons. So all the 3 lessons are equally important because one question from one lesson will be asked. Okay, so this is very important. The first lesson of module 3 is theory of production. I divided this into 3 parts. In the first part, I am going to discuss about production function. What is production function? Concept of production. The essence of production is the creation of utilities. A productive activity involves an increase in the quantity of goods and services, change in the form of goods and services. The act of production involves the transformation of inputs or resources into output. Inputs are resources used in the production of goods and services. So this is what is important. The transformation of inputs into output is called as production. Production function. Production function can be an equation, table, or graph showing the maximum amount of commodity that a firm can produce from a given set of inputs during a period of time. The concept of production function describes the maximum volume of physical output available from a given set of inputs or the minimum set of inputs necessary to produce any given level of output. The production function is determined by a given state of technology. When technology improves the production function of a product changes because the new production function can yield greater output from the given inputs, or smaller inputs will be enough to produce a given level of output. Further, production function incorporates the idea of efficiency. Therefore, the production function includes all the technically efficient methods of producing an output. A method or process of production function is a combination of inputs required for the production of output. A method of production is technically efficient to any other method if it uses less of at least one factor and no more of other factors as compared with another method. The production function, the dependent variable is the output, and the independent variables are the inputs. Thus, the production function can be expressed as Q is equal to function of N, L, K, E, T, where Q is quantity produced, N is natural resources, L is labor, K is capital, E is entrepreneur or organizer, and T is technology. For simplicity, only the inputs of labor and capital are considered as independent variables in production function. So, a simple specification of production function is Q is equal to function of LK, where Q is quantity produced or output, L is labor, K is capital, and F is functional relationship. Production function is based on an implicit assumption that state of technology is given and remains constant. This is because an improvement in technical knowledge will lead to larger output from the use of same quantity of inputs. This is what you have to understand about production function. Q is equal to function of NLKET. This is the main, and Q is equal to function of L and K. Then you should know that N is natural resources, L is labor, K is capital, E is entrepreneur or organizer, and T is technology. So this is what you have to give about the concept of production function. The question can be explain the production function or concept of production function. In your answer, you have to cover everything. Thank you very much.